Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over one of our 21-inch chrome Merlin wheels. So this is one of our 21-inch chrome wheels. A few key talking points I want to hit. The very first one being the rotors. You'll notice this is not a matching rotor as far as the design goes. It is actually a perimeter ring, what we call them floating rotors, where these little crush washers in here makes this rotor actually move a thousandth or two either way. So it keeps them from warping and stuff like that. It's a much better mechanically designed than the matching stuff ever was. This one is equipped with a Dunlop American Elite tire. If you opt to get a tire, they're all internally balanced with Dynabeads, so you don't have any weights or anything showing on the outside of your wheel. They can be set up for ABS or non-ABS. That's all it is a bearing swap. It's not a big deal. Size-wise, they go anywhere from the smallest 16 in the rear up to we've done 32s and even a 34 in the past. As far as the TPMS sensors for the newer Harley Davidsons, our valve stem is going to be retained, so you do not use the stock black angled looking valve stem that you get with a stock Harley wheel. You're going to use this. There will be a drilled and tapped hole somewhere in this vicinity inside the tire. It'll come with directions, and there's also a video on our website of how to install it if you're moving it from your stock wheel to one of ours. We also have an option to have it pre-installed. We get sensors from a dealership down the street and we'll pre-install them for you, and you won't have to worry about it. Everything about this wheel is it's all American made, 100% all American aluminum, forged in California and machined in our shop in Hendersonville, Tennessee. The chrome itself is a big talking point because these are actually triple plated, so they're copper plated, nickel plated, and then finally chrome plated. And what that does is essentially acts like a really strong Gorilla Glue, basically, for the chrome. It's extremely rare that we get one that peels or comes off or anything like that, but if anything ever happens to it, again, it's a lifetime warranty, so we'll take care of it. Pretty sure that's everything. If there's anything I missed or any more questions you might have, call, email. I'll do my best I can to help you. All right, and that's your wrap up our 21-inch chrome Merlin wheel.